All right, so this is my WTF moment. I undid the stuff, I took it off. All the videos I saw showed that there was a wire harness right here that attached to this. Apparently, me and my base model don't get that. So, for yourselves in the future with your fancier GT or G70, I was saying GT or whatever because I've seen so many Stinger videos, but there's nothing holding this thing on. No wire harness, no nothing. So I'm guessing the fancier ones have it, mine doesn't because it's a base. Word to the wise, you probably have one. Now, what we're going to be moving, these things. These things pull the air here, which are trapped under this. Poor air intake, that's why the Velocitek's better, because it goes straight into here, where I now have my new high flow filters. But I was very surprised that this bumper came down. I set it like an inch away, and there's nothing there to hold it on, other than the clips and the screws. Now this wire right here, well, that's from the LED emblem. I just didn't disconnect it. If I need to, I will, but otherwise it doesn't look like I need to. So, but of course it's super easy. I just pull this thing off here, unscrew that, and pull the ground off, and it's separated. So, I mean, that's all there is holding the bumper on. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the missing wire harness that I see in all the other videos. But if you have a base model, don't worry about it. Just like if you have a Lexicon radio, but if you have a base model, don't worry about it, but you'll still have to update the entire audio system because the base radio sucks. Anyways, let me get to it.